guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. First, I'm just adding some strawberries and mangoes to the baby blender. Then I'll be adding some distilled water. It's just some baby water. I'll be adding probably like about 3 to 4 tablespoons to it. I don't want to make it too watery, but not too thick because I'm making it into an icy. So that consistency is pretty good. Enough so where you can shake it. Then I'm just going to put it into these little popsicle holders. I'm going to fill it up about halfway. So here I have these little popsicle sticks. They're really just sticks that I got from the craft store. And I just broke it in half and I got a little piece in there. So I took it out and I just stick them in the center. And then I got some foil, covered it over. Then I'm gonna stick that in the freezer till it freezes solid. Now we have some blueberries I'm adding and some raspberries. So for this blend, we're gonna be making a little slushy. So like about 4 to 5 tablespoons for this one, not too much, just 2 little pours. And then I'm gonna put it into that plastic cup right there. And then put the cover on and into the freezer. Now I'll be making my famous homemade applesauce. So here I'm just peeling the skin off of the apples. So my apples are cut up into slices. I like to put my apples on the stove just for like about 3 minutes just to get them a little soft and tender. Now I'm putting them into the baby blender. And I'm just gonna add that water to the blender as well. Then I'll be adding some cinnamon and some honey, just a little, like a half a tablespoon of honey, and just a little sprinkle of some brown sugar because we want our applesauce to have some flavor. Then after that, I'll be adding like about probably like 3 little pours of water. Now you don't want this too watery because it's applesauce, so you want it to be kind of thick. And we already boiled our apples, so it's already pretty soft. Now put them into the container, and I freeze my applesauce so it lasts a little bit longer for my daughter. So I put those covers on and into the freezer it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.